What's up, guys? So I just want to share something hilarious that just happened, right? Okay, so there's like 100,000 items in this store, this eBay store from Walmart, right? Recently, I was at a Walmart in the clearance section, and I purchased like 10 or 15 different items that I can ship really easily because they're small and they all fit in first class packages and just cost like $2 or $3 to ship, right? And one of those items was this item right here, this Lala Fox Intensive Pro Cleansing Water. I bought it for $2.50 at Walmart, right? And I just so happened to sell that item today. But this is a dropshipped listing. And it's a very interesting experience for me because I now actually have the item physically. So this item cost me $2.50 to buy. And then it's going to cost me like $2 or $3 to ship. And it's just, I'm just so blown. The chance of this happening is like getting struck by lightning. Like, I mean, it makes sense that, you know, I sell Walmart items. So if I buy something from clearance at a Walmart store, then like it is absolutely possible that I will buy something that I'm technically already selling on eBay. But the chance that this sold today, like I was going to be selling all of these items for $15. This sold today for $25. So on this item alone, I got like $20, but that was just complete coincidence. And this, like, I'm actually like shipping this item. I'm not ordering this from Walmart. I already have it behind me. Wait. I gotta go find it. 1 second. Look. Isn't that crazy? Like, this is it. I actually have an item that I sold. That's so weird to me. I'm not used to this at all. Lala Fox Face Cleansing Water. Look at that. It's literally the same thing. I can't believe that. And like, look, I made all of these listings, right? Or I made all of these drafts. $20? That's crazy. Well, let's see how much it costs on Walmart right now. I can't believe someone bought that. I'm so blown right now, just completely blown. I can use eBay's prepaid shipping label service. Yeah. Yeah, so this product costs $12 on the website, and then if you were to ship it, it would be $6, right? So it would cost me $18 to source. I bought it from the clearance aisle at Walmart for $2.50. Like, and this is a whole new concept to me. Like this concept of going into Walmart when I'm there and checking out the clearance aisle, and like it's a bit weird for me to be in a Walmart in general because I just see all the products that I'm selling. Like because I basically have most of Walmart's store posted to eBay, so it's a very odd experience, but I would like to say, guys, that this is the first time in my life that I have sold a drop-shipped listing, and I actually have the physical item in hand. Yeah, I'm not drop-shipping this listing now. What? All right, I'm done now. This is just funny. See you guys.